Hi friends, welcome to Wafa Studies YouTube channel. This is part 17 in Python playlist. In this video, we are going to discuss about arithmetic operators in Python. So if you have watched my previous video, we have seen about high level details about operators and also we just seen like what are the types available in the operators. So in this particular video, we are going to explore about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used with the numerical values if you want to perform any mathematical operations. So maybe if you want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, like all the mathematical operations, whatever you have used in your schools and all. So if you want to do them, you have to use the arithmetic operators. The below table shows all those details. So if you want to perform addition, you should use this plus operator. If it is a subtraction, then minus. If multiplication, then you should use the star, then all this division, this slash. For modulus, that means if you want to get a remainder as output, then you should use this modulus symbol, percentage symbol. If you want to do exponentation, that means 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2, like that, right? So if you have 2 to the power of 3, that means multiply 2 3 times, right? So if you want to do that, you have to use this double star. If you want to do the floor division, you have to use this double slash. Floor division means um, once you do a division, if you want to get the result, the quotient result, if you want to get it as a nearest whole number, then you should use that. So all this, if it is confusing at this moment, don't worry. We are going to look at a practical implementation of them now. So let me go to Visual Studio Code, and here let me click this file menu. Let me open a folder. So let me navigate to desktop. On my desktop, I have a folder Python demo. So let me select this folder. So this folder will be containing Python files, whatever I am doing in this entire playlist. Okay. So let me create a new Python file here. So let me say like this is like arithmetic arithmetic.py. So that's what the Python file name I want to give. Let me close this welcome tab. So now let's assume I have two variables x. X value is 3 and y value is 4. Oh, sorry, 2. So now I want to perform all the arithmetic operations. So as I said, I should use these operators, right? So let me quickly do all of them. So let me say like print x plus y. So this is going to do addition because here I am using a plus operator. Okay, that is for addition. Then let me say like print x minus y. So this is going to do the subtraction. So let me print star y. That means it is going to do multiplication. So let me do the division. To do the division, you should use this slash symbol, which will help you to do the division and get the quotient as a result. So let me use another print statement here to get the remainder as a output. That means x percentage y. So this is going to give you reminder. Okay. So remainder as a output. So and also let me do this exponential. So this is going to give the result like 3 to the power of 2. That means 3 into 3. That means 3 3s are 9. So that is what the output of this double star. All this you might have known about in your mathematics classes, right? Exponentation. Okay. So now let me do the final thing, that is like for floor division. So that means x slash slash y. Okay. So I have used all the arithmetic operators here along with the print function on these variables x and y. Now let me very quickly run this code and show you the results also. So this is like, let me execute this Python space arithmetic, one second, dot py, right? Arithmetic dot py. So let me type that very quickly for you guys. Okay. Now let me press enter. So if you see the results now, you will easily get what operation these all symbols are doing. If you see the first output is 5, that means 3 plus 2 is going to be printed as a 5. That means addition happened. So x minus y, 3 minus 2, 1. For multiplication, x into y, x star y, that is 3 into 2, that is going to be 6. When you divide 3 with 2, it is going to get you 1.5 as a result. And when you try to do this same thing, I mean the modulus operation, that means where you will be getting the remainder, right? So here I got the remainder as 1 because when you try to divide any odd number with a even number 2, then you will get a reminder as 1, right? So that's what it printed here. And also if you see here this double star, what it is doing, it is going to multiply these 3 two times. Okay, because 2 is the value inside this y variable. That means 3 to the power of 2. Okay, and if you observe this floor division, what it returned 1, because when you divide x with y, that means 3 with 2, actually you will be getting the value like 1.5, right? But it is going to return a whole number. So it will simply ignore this part and it will return the whole number. So that's what the floor division is. Okay, so this is how all these arithmetic operators will help you to perform the mathematical operations.